Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 6, today we are going to see the new chapter in geography, the fourth chapter that is about maps. What is map? What are the types of map? And about the components of map we are going to learn in this chapter. First, what is map? Drawing or a pictorial representation of Earth's surface with or without scale. This is called as map. This is a definition, clear definition of the map. Map is the drawing or the pictorial representation of Earth's surface with or without scale. In this, we are going to learn the types of map. There are three types. First one is physical map. Which indicates the natural features like mountain, rivers, lakes, oceans, everything. The physical map will contain the information of natural features. Second one is political. Which contain the information about continent, countries with their boundaries. And the third one is thematic map. Which have the information of specific of roadways, railway, and about the industries present in a state or district. These are the types of map and these are all the informations contained by the maps. What are the types? Physical map, political map and thematic map. Then we are going to learn about the components of map. Components of map. For the components, based on this component, how the maps are drawn. The three basic and main components are distance, direction, and symbol. Yeah, children, these are the components of map. First, we can go with the distance. What is distance? We all know the space between from the place where we are to the place where we want to reach. Right? The distance. We're going to learn about the scale. Right? What is scale? Scale is a ratio distance between the actual distance. Which means what is the distance in the map as same as in the actual distance. The actual distance of the place will be equal in the map. That is scale. Map will be drawn based on scale by using scale or without scale. With scale means how the centimeter are measured. That they are explaining in two, that is large scale map and small scale map. About the distance we learn. On that, the two types of maps are small scale map, which contains the information of continents, country, and the boundaries. The small map will contain the informations of countries, continents, and with the boundaries. And this, how it is calculated. That means, for an example, 10 kilometer is mentioned as 2 centimeter in map. Then 1 kilometer, that means 5 kilometer equal to 1 centimeter. If in the small scale map, if 500 kilometer is mentioned as 5 centimeter. Right children, whether you are clear? For small scale map, we will calculate the distance as seen. Why we are with the scale? If the map is drawn using with the scale means the 500 kilometer is mentioned as 5 kilometer. Then large scale map. Which contains the information about the town, cities, villages. It will contain the information about the town, village and all the places in the cities and districts. And this long scale map will contain more information than the small scale map. How it is calculated? 500 meters equal to 5 centimeter. This is a calculation of large scale map. Large scale map is calculated on 500 meters equal to 5 centimeter. In small scale map, 500 kilometers equal to 5 centimeter. This is about the distance. What is scale? How by using the scale, how we draw the map. Right. Next is direction. Directions. How many directions we all know? 4 directions, right? North, south, east and west. These 4 directions are called as cardinal points. What? Cardinal points. And other 4 directions in this, the intermediate directions, the northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. These 4 directions are called as intermediate direction. Right children? So totally we have 8 directions. On that north, south, east and west, these 4 major directions are called as cardinal points. And the other directions like northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest are called as intermediate direction. So about the symbols, we will see in the next class children. Thank you and have a great day.